Hey everyone! On this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, we are highlighting cucumbers, specifically pruning cucumbers. So let's get started. First of all, healthy cucumber plants can get out of hand. Okay, the vines can get pretty out of control, and I've let these ones get away a little just for the purpose of this video. First of all, it is okay to prune your cucumbers. Pruning helps maintain the balance between vine growth and fruit production. This here is a sun leaf, okay? This is the main stem. And this is the sun leaf. These are components of the cucumber. This is the sucker or shoot. You can call it a sucker or you can call it a shoot. You just want to pinch those off. And that's it. There's always going to be a main stem, a sun leaf, a tendril, the fruit, and then there'll be a sucker. There's another one. And basically what you do is you just pinch those suckers off before they get too big. Pruning helps stimulate reproduction and you get an earlier harvest and a more bountiful harvest. Vines generate from a single stem and they produce multiple shoots or suckers. You want to begin trimming those. Any dead or damaged portions, remove older leaves, leaves that are at the bottom. You want to allow light to reach developing fruit and improve air circulation. You want to prune the lower 5 to 7 leaf nodes. Also the first 4 to 6 lateral runners that appear. Removing those lateral runners near the base of the plant will gain higher yields. And that's it. That's my 2-minute tip for pruning cucumbers. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, the more you know, the more you grow.